No.
Wait. I need that.
Oh.
Yeah, no. Cheese out. Oh.
Homie, what's the beat again?
Wait. Redo. Okay, ready? Wait, one more time. Improv. Wait. Hey. Lakusau Dakun. Ready?
Hey, we need the light.
No light. Ready? Rods, ready?
Yeah.
Ready, guys? Ready? Check this out. Oh, yo, check this out. Nah. Yeah, keep going.
No. I like that. No, but I want to do it.
Yo! Yo, it's Tuesday night at Rod's house. We're all getting fucked up here at Rod's house. We're all drinking the motherfucking liquor. I don't know, but I'm a money maker. I work at Hard Rock Cafe, Guam. Yeah, and I'm from the 671. You got a problem with my rap? Then shut the fuck up, cause I'll make you do your fucking hand clap. You wanna mess with the best? I'll tell ya, I don't give a fuck, but I'll bail ya out of jail, out of cell. I don't give a fuck. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. What? Yo, oh, now everybody likes it. Yo, this rap is for fucking YouTube. You wanna mess with me? Well, who are you to mess with the best? Mess with the press, you wanna fuck with me? Well, bitch, I got no stress. I don't give a fuck about the regulators, motherfucker. I don't know.